Okay, so you may say to yourself, that is a very messy uh, amount of items laid out on the desk. The reason for that is because I opened this number 38 survival kit from All Mountain Systems, and there is no possible way that me myself could figure out how they packed all this stuff into this tin that's literally the size of the palm of my hand. I have no idea how they did it, but let me just give you the rundown. So the first thing I noticed when I opened it was this was on top, and I thought, oh, okay, it's just like their logo or whatever. I pulled the tab on it, and nope, it's an actual collapsible water bottle. And the thing about this is, if you carry those screw-on water filters, I'm pretty sure this will fit right on there. So that is awesome. And then it's got a like a sports bottle nozzle on it that you just use that to pop it open and drink out of it. So that's great in itself right there. Um, had a card in there and it lists everything, but I'm not going to read that off to you. I'm just going to show you. Had a couple zip ties in there. Had a bouillon cube. And if you've ever made soup with the bouillon cube, you know what that's for. Nice little mint, and this actually has decent amount of sugar content in it. A beeswax tea light candle, a coffee filter, and it looks like, oh yeah, coffee filter and I think water purification tablets. A fishing kit with hooks, lures, sinkers, a fire kit with a couple stormproof matches in it, a box of matches, or a pack of matches rather, and then some jute twine, and then a oxygen absorber to keep moisture out of this. Looks like a moist towelette, salt, pepper, water purification tabs, medical pack that's got Advil, ibuprofen, alcohol swab, Band-Aid. It's got a button compass, a little sewing kit. That is really slick. A small blade, quarter pencil, a couple Ranger bands, uh, steel wool for fire starting, a length of paracord, a nice little whistle for emergencies, and last but not least, an emergency blanket. And if you've ever made a baked potato in aluminum foil, just picture this is the aluminum foil and you're the baked potato. You wrap yourself up in this, and it's going to maintain your core temperature. And like I said before, I have no idea how they fit all that into here, but it was very well organized and extremely well made and well thought out. So hats off to All Mountain Systems. They did a great job. If you're looking for a survival kit that you can just drop in your pack or throw in your glove box of your car, this is it.